English presentation called the brown blocks solution. In this moment, I'll show you the proposed technically uh, to solution for a brown blocks application. Uh, I'll show you the um, resource that compose the solution for application uh, for three layers. In this moment, I have a document where you can see the resource that compose a proposed. I'm going to share the document. Can you see uh, divide the resource, in this case the colorful uh, box blue uh, indicates the beginning application, and the index PHP is the file configuration and the main file to load all resource to application. The application is divided or composed for three folders to contain the files and scripts and CSS files uh, that are app, that is a colorful folder green, lips is a colorful orange folder, and the red folder contains the script SQL uh, to create and um, um, create a database. Uh, in this case, we are using MySQL engine. Okay, the three, the three layer contains folders like assets, classes, views, uh, assets folder contains CSS files, configuration files, fonts, images, and JavaScript files. Um, the classes save files that manage logic to connect with database, and simple logic to handle the communication. For example, receive logic to receive um, a request from Ajax, and so response in a JSON format to application. This is a class. In folder views, Uh, we have other folders like base, editor, share, and chain list. These folders contain a HTML code and, supports the data to the user final show in a browser. Mm, the flight folder flight is a framework PHP that manage the validation URL URL uh, request and allow utilities to responsive JSON data. The logic application uh, um, manage is managed or is handled from JavaScript, the entire logic. But the flight only allows support the URL communication request URL to save and get data from the database. Uh, this is the mm, the basic results that compose the application. It's simple, but but specifically uh, the application mm, is more difficult um, or have the other scripts or the other resource more specified. For example, in this document, in other document, can you see the specific resource scripts and images? For example, a specific PDS. Here in this document is more specific when you can see the, for example, CS folder uh, uh, files, CSS file to views. In this case, we are using Bootstrap, that is a framework of Vue. Uh, it's the most popular framework in this moment. In folder files, can you see JSON files that the Plumbooks application use to configuration, manage internationalization or language, and the other files to configuration application or a specific data to use application, Plumbooks application. For example, the fonts, images that the something JavaScript plugins use, and for example, folder JS have many plugins that the application use. Classes have the folder classes have the files the manage logic to application uh, from part to flight framework. Can you see the general? I say use it uh, for a app architecture. It's more specific. To finish this presentation, I want to show a simple solution document where you can see resume the the solution for the BrainBlocks application. It's a simple solution. Like a conclusion, uh, we have a BrainBlocks application. The JavaScript supports the entire application logic. Send JSON request and receive a JSON response. It's easy, it's clean. Flight framework PHP supports the URL request, supports the connection database, and uh, save and get information from database. It's a simple solution that is my purpose for develop this application. I hope that you understand me the purpose, and I only search a simple solution and the way best the best way to develop this application. Thank you. This is the all. See you soon.